Hi everyone, I am here to demonstrate how to create a visual pattern which will help us find the products of the top 10 companies with the highest IPO valuations before they did their IPO. Next, I'm going to give this visual pattern a name. I'm going to give it the name Find Products of Top Companies Before IPO. Then I'm going to add a description. Find the products of the top 10 companies with the highest IPO valuations before they did their IPO. Next, I'm going to analyze the schema. So here we have the schema. And as you can see, we have the IPO vertex, and in the IPO vertex, we have the valuation amount attribute, valuation currency code attribute, and the public attribute. And we also have the company IPO edge, we have the company vertex, and we have the company product edge, we have the product vertex, and the product vertex, we have the founded attribute. And so these are, I believe, the vertices and edges that we would need in this visual pattern. Next, I'm going to start picking the vertices and edges that we need in this visual pattern. So first, I'm going to pick the company IPO, and IPO vertices and edges. And then I'm going to pick the company product, and product vertices and edges. Next, I'm going to merge the company vertex patterns together. Then just going to realign the visual pattern. Next, I'm going to start by giving the IPO vertex pattern name IPO in small case. Next, I'm going to add a filter to this vertex pattern. I'm going to use the equals condition. I want to find the companies whose valuation currency code, IPO valuation currency code is in USD. So I'm going to make sure that the valuation currency code is in USD. And then next, we want to order the results based on the IPO's valuation amount, or each company's IPO valuation amount. So I'm going to order the result based on the valuation amount in descending order. I'm going to limit the results by 10. So here we will find the top 10 companies with the highest IPO valuation amount. Next, I'm going to set a filter on the product vertex pattern. We want to find all the products of the company before the IPO. So I'm going to make sure that the founded attribute of the product is less than the IPO public attribute. So I'm going to save the pattern, and I'm going to set the output of this visual pattern and then save it. So what this visual pattern does is that it finds the top 10 companies with the highest USD valuation amounts after their IPO, and it also finds all the products associated with this company, and all these products were founded before the company went public. Next, I'm going to run this visual pattern. So here are the results, and here we have all the products, of the top 10 companies with the highest valuation amounts after their IPO, and all of these products were founded before the company went public.